Today we are going to explore the Image Trace tool in Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud. The Image Trace tool is really useful if you have an image you've taken or found online, or perhaps your own drawing which you have scanned in via a scanner and you want to convert that image into a vector object. Having a vector object is a huge advantage as it enables you to scale your image without becoming pixelated. To start with, I'm going to bring a JPEG into my document, clicking File and Place, and then selecting this image of a lion, and then clicking Place, and then click on the document, and as the image is very large, I'm going to scale it down so it fits the document. In order for the Image Trace tool to work, the object which you want to trace must be selected. In Illustrator, you will find two areas which shows Image Trace: Object Image Trace and then Window Image Trace. The image trace under Object does not allow you to explore the settings and properties of the image trace, as you can see. You can undo this by clicking Command Z, and this will bring you back to your original image. If we go to Windows Image Trace, as you can see, this tab pops up, giving you a lot more flexibility with the settings and a number of options. The preset list gives you different types of tracing options which you can select depending on the type of illustration you want. I'm going to start with 6 colours, but you can always change this later on. If your image is large like mine, when selecting the different options, it will take a while for it to load. The eye icon lets you view the source image, which is really useful, as you can see before and after. The next setting is Mode. This specifies the colour mode for the tracing result, and for this image we're going to stick with colour as it looks more realistic than black and white. The palette option generates a colour or grayscale tracing from the original image. Colours lets you alter numbers of colours used in the illustration, but I'm going to stick with 6. If you click on Advanced, more options which you can experiment with will show up. When you are happy with your illustration, go to Object, Image Trace and then Expand, and you'll be able to see the anchor points and paths of your illustration. If you want to change the colours of your illustration, then you need to ungroup the paths before you do so. To do this, you go to Object, Ungroup. Visually nothing has changed, but you can now choose individual areas. Using the Select and Fill tool, you can change colours of the areas within your illustration. Here you can see the before and after, how we have successfully converted a JPEG into a vector graphic using the Image Trace tool. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions in the comments section below.